Hi, I'm Mike with Morgan Inspection Services. Today I want to talk to you real quickly about garage door safety. Garage doors have three safety features. The first one is this safety cord or safety release, and it's designed to release the door. If the door closes on somebody or an animal or something, you pull this cord and that releases the door and allows you to lift it, thus protecting that person. Let me reset this real quick. The second feature is the electronic eye. We've got one here. You can see as my hand goes through, it turns the light off. So this eye is designed to detect something under the door. It'll prevent the door from closing if something's under the door when you try to close it. So to test that, you can use the remote or you can use the button on your wall. Just start the door to closing, and once it's going down, just put your foot or something through the beam and see if the door reverses. So that's how simple that one is. And the third one is an auto reverse. It basically reverses the door if the door hits something as it's closing. And to test that, what you need is a piece of 2x4. You want to lay it flat under the door, and then as the door closes and hits that piece of wood, it should turn around and go back up. So let's give that a try. Okay, so those are the three safety features. You've got your emergency release cord, you've got your electronic eye, and you've got your auto reverse that reverses the door on pressure. And I would recommend you test all of those about 3 or 4 times a year just to make sure that your family, your pets are going to be safe and that the garage door doesn't hurt anybody or an animal. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I hope you've learned something. I really appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day. Take care.